Hi, Marcio from Objectos. In the bin directory of your JDK distribution, we'll find a number of comments, and among them we'll find the javap comment. I have a hello javap program here. It uses JAP 495. Let's compile this Java file and inspect the resulting class file with javap. So running javap without options gives us the name of the original source file, the modifiers of the class, and prints the constructors and methods of the class. As mentioned, the source file uses JAP 495, and this is one of my favorite use cases for the javap tool, figuring out how language features are implemented at the class level. So we can see here the implicitly declared class. It has the name of the original source file. It is final and it's not public, so it's packaged private. The constructor follows the access level of the class, and the main method is an instance main method. Next, I have here the code of the flow scoping video, which discusses pattern matching for instance of. The thing to notice is that the printf string method is private here. So let's compile it and inspect it with the javap command. We don't see the printf string method here, so you need to use the -private option. So it lists the private members of the class. The javap tool can also print the code of each method and constructor in the class. And for that we use the -c option. You can see that the constructor invokes the constructor of the superclass, and that our main method invokes our printf string method. Let's run again with the -private option, or for short, -p. And now it shows our printf string method. And we can see how the pattern match for instance of is compiled at the class level. It's a regular instance of with a cast. Right. And we can see all these numbers here, right? Number 7, number 9, and 15, 9 again, 21. To see what they refer to, we need to use the verbose option. And here at the top, we'll see some information of the class itself. And here we can see the constant pool, where we'll find all those numbers. So for instance, the main method invokes number 9, and number 9 it's an entry of the type or the kind method ref. We can use the javap command to inspect a class that it's in a jar file as well. I have here the latest Objectos Way jar file, and to inspect it, we specify the module path, the name of the module, and the class name. Or we could have used the class path, which makes for a shorter command. We can also inspect classes from the JDK. For instance, let's see the Java lang string class. And it's a very long listing. You can use -v as short for verbose. And we're not restricted to the classes which are exported. For instance, some misc unsafe. And if you're the curious kind, here are some suggestions of some Java code you can compile and inspect with the javap tool. Lambda expressions. Another suggestion is the new switch expressions. Another one is C type erasure at the class level. Cool, right? Hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something new and interesting. And see you in the next video. Bye.